This 1910 Victorian in Park Hill, just 30 minutes outside of New York City, offers the perfect blend of architectural integrity and timeless design. It will become your soulmate as much as it becomes your home. You're first greeted by a white picket fence and a finely crafted stone masonry porch. The restored foyer completes your welcome. Step through the arched entryway of the living room to find original beamed ceilings and a wood-burning fireplace flanked by stained glass windows. In the formal dining room, full-height paneled wainscoting and a window bench beneath a wall of original casement windows set the stage for lively dinner parties. The adjacent chef's kitchen includes custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, vintage bullnose radius tile, and a farmhouse sink. And upstairs, the light-filled staircase landings lead to a spacious primary suite with bay windows, a cozy seating area, and ensuite bath. 2 additional garden view bedrooms and an updated full bath complete the floor. The beautifully renovated 3rd floor offers bonus living space with wood beams, a charming alcove, and full bath. Outside, the backyard invites you to entertain or tuck in with a novel. Come visit me and I will give you a tour of what could be your new soulmate. I'm Zebby Amy Voss, offering singular service for singular clients and their singular properties.